Data Processing Training 2026 Data Management Analytics Complete All You Need to Know. Question 1. What is the primary goal of data management and analytics? To store data without any organization, to ensure data accuracy, accessibility, and usability, to collect as much data as possible without structure, to restrict data access entirely. Data management ensures that data is accurate, accessible, and properly structured for analysis and decision-making. Question 2. Which process involves removing duplicate and inconsistent data to improve quality? Data transformation, data cleaning, data storage, data visualization. Data cleaning ensures accuracy and consistency by removing errors, duplicate entries, and inconsistencies in datasets. Question 3. Which file format is most commonly used for storing structured data due to its simplicity? TXT, CSV, MP4, JPEG. CSV, comma-separated values, files are widely used for structured data storage and are compatible with most analytical tools. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of data integration? To delete unnecessary data, to combine data from multiple sources, to avoid data analysis, to restrict data access. Data integration combines data from different sources into a unified view to support comprehensive analysis. Question 5. Which database type is best suited for handling large-scale structured data with relationships? Graph database, relational database, document-based database, key-value store. Relational databases use structured tables and relationships to efficiently store and retrieve structured data. Question 6. Why is data normalization important in data preparation? To duplicate data entries, to reduce redundancy and improve consistency, to store data without rules, to remove relationships between tables. Normalization helps reduce redundancy and improve data integrity by organizing data into structured formats. Question 7. What does the T in ETL stand for? Transfer, transform, tag, translate. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load, representing the three main steps in data integration. Question 8. Which type of analytics answers the question, what is likely to happen? Diagnostic, predictive, descriptive, prescriptive. Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical models to forecast future outcomes. Question 9. What is the first step in the data analytics process? Data modeling, data collection, data visualization, decision-making. Before any analysis can begin, relevant data must be collected from various sources. Question 10. Which of the following is an example of unstructured data? CSV files, SQL tables, text messages, Excel sheets. Unstructured data includes formats like text messages, audio, and images that do not fit into predefined tables. Question 11. Which tool is widely used for spreadsheet-based data analysis? Photoshop, Excel, AutoCAD, SAP. Microsoft Excel is the standard tool for spreadsheet analysis, pivot tables, and basic data manipulation. Question 12. Which Python library is specifically designed for data manipulation and analysis? Matplotlib, Seaborn, Pandas, tkinter. Pandas is the primary Python library used for handling data frames and series in data analysis. Question 13. Which chart type is best for visualizing data trends over a period of time? Pie chart, line chart, bar chart, scatter plot. Line charts are ideal for showing how a variable changes over time series data. Question 14. In statistics, what is the mean, the most frequent value, the middle value in a sorted list, the sum of values divided by the count, the difference between the largest and smallest values? The mean is the arithmetic average of a set of numbers. Question 15. What type of system monitors and stores data from an organization's basic business transactions? Decision Support System, DSS, Transaction Processing System, TPS, Expert System, Executive support system. TPS collects, stores, and processes data generated by day-to-day business transactions. Question 16. A repository of historical data organized by subject to support decision-makers is called a database, data warehouse, spreadsheet, data lake. A data warehouse is a centralized repository that stores historical data from various sources for analytical reporting. Question 17. Which type of analytics suggests actions to take based on results to achieve a goal? Diagnostic, prescriptive, predictive, descriptive. Prescriptive analytics recommends specific actions or optimization strategies based on data insights. Question 18. Which unsupervised learning technique is used to group similar data points together? Regression, clustering, classification, reinforcement learning. Clustering is the process of grouping data points with similar characteristics without predefined labels. Question 19. What is the process of checking if data meets predefined rules and standards? Data cleaning, data validation, data mining, data extraction. Data validation ensures that data is correct and useful by checking it against specified rules, example, data types, ranges. Question 20. What ensures the fair, legal, and transparent use of personal or organizational data? Data normalization, data ethics, data pipelining, data modeling. Data ethics covers the responsible use of data, focusing on privacy, consent, and transparency.